Oh, you're recording.
No, I'm not. Oh, now I am.
Yes, you are.
I said now I am. Okay. Well, we found a new kind of candy bar. See, Kit Kat Churro. You get to open it.
Yay, I get to open it and taste it because I'm the one that bought it.
Exactly.
Ah, damn. My fingers were slipping.
Oh, look at the color. Does it smell good?
I don't know.
You just sniffed it. I don't know if it smells good.
Ooh, does it smell good? I don't know.
Looks good. Looks interesting. You gonna make me try it first?
No.
Okay.
Oh, smell it.
Oh, it actually does smell good.
Tastes good too.
Okay.
Go.
Alright, let's see. Like we said, it does smell really good.
That's that cinnamon and chocolate taste.
Kind of tastes like a cookie.
Mm-hmm.
That's good. It has a vanilla taste to it too, though. Like a vanilla
I
cinnamon.
like white chocolate.
Yeah.
We're getting another one. The other one's for you.
Okay. These are due. So, if you see them in the store, don't freak out. Try it. I don't get on you. If you want more videos like this, just hit like and subscribe. But yes, definitely do get these. You guys have a wonderful day. Bye.